Okay, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Um, Tonight I'm going to explain to you what happened to my latest experiment with leafy vegetables. See, this time around I planted or transferred different types of leafy vegetables. As you can see right here on this first rack, the first channel I have Swiss chard, okay, and then in the second I have lettuce, the third I put arugula, and the last I have kale, okay. And you can see the differences of how they grew. Basically, some of them are big like this lettuce, but the arugula are small. The kale is getting bigger, and the Swiss chard here is about medium size. Okay, now we go to the second level here. As you can see, the Swiss chard is also small, the arugula are small, but the Swiss chard over there are pretty good, about 4 of them, but one of them is small. The kale is okay, it's still growing, but not too big. And on the bottom here I put some radish, which I'm going to transfer outside because we can't have a radish on Hydroponics NFT. But if you can see, the lettuce didn't grow as big as I expected them to, okay, because the reason for all that, every leafy vegetables have a different measurement of nutrient, but because we put all this leafy vegetable in one NFT nutrient box, so everyone is getting the same amount of nutrient in here, basically. So my experiment, my hypothesis was correct, that each one of them will grow differently, as we can see right here. Okay, so that's the end of our experiment for now. So now we know that we will never put different types of leafy vegetables in one NFT process like this one. So we have to separate them, like lettuce, all kale, all Swiss chard, all arugula, with one nutrient and water containers. They cannot be mixed in the same container with one amount of nutrients in it. Alright, hope you get it. So now our experiment was successful, so we know what to do when we have our garage farm. Alright, till then, mabuhay.